Honey, there's water on the floor, and those ugly wall stains are back.
Do you have water spots in your basement? Do you wonder where they come from? When contractors pour concrete foundation walls, they use steel tie rods to hold the form in place. Once the wall dries, they remove the tie rods, which leave small holes in the concrete. Over time, water can get through the sealants and come through in these sequential stain patterns. Do those other products work? Why not try the TRX Swell Plug? The patented TRX Swell Plug was designed specifically to solve this problem.
Honestly, anyone can do it?
And it's easy to install yourself. First, you'll need a hammer, a screwdriver, a pair of safety glasses, and a wrench with a 3/8-inch socket. Every handyman has at least these in his toolbox, right? Step 1. Expose the hole. You may need to tap through the thin cement covering. Once the center of the hole is visible, tap the cement material through to open the hole. Be sure to clear any debris from the hole. And now you're ready to install the plug. You may need to hand turn the coupler first so it's not loose in the hole. Then insert the plug gently and make sure to keep the edge flush with the wall. Tighten the coupler with the 3/8-inch socket. Be sure not to overcrank. It should only be snug. The blue material is water activated and will swell over time to create a powerful seal. Now you can cover the spot with your choice of epoxy or cement. There, you're done. Now, wasn't that easy? You may want to locate and repeat the process for all of your tie rod holes. They're typically located 18 inches apart in 2 rows, approximately 1 and 5 feet off the floor. Now, just relax, knowing your basement is water-free.